Welcome to Cool Plugins. Now we will going to see how we can change events colors and typography. For this, go to the Shortcode settings in the Events add-ons. Under General Settings tab, Main Skin Color is used to change the color of non-featured events. Save it and refresh the page. Main Skin Alternative Color is used to change the font color where the background color is main skin color. Same as previous, featured event skin color is used to change the color of feature events. Feature event font color is used to change the font color where the background color is featured event skin color. Event background color will apply on background color of both featured and non-featured events. Event title styles is used to change the color and typography of the event title. Event description styles is used to change the color and typography of the description or excerpt. Same way, event venue style will use to change the color and typography of event venue. Event date styles is used to change the color and typography of event date. Now under the Extra Settings tab, we write custom CSS for our event. No event text is used when you want to show that there is no any upcoming events. By default it is, there are no upcoming events at this time. You can change it if you want. You can also change Find Out More label according to your needs. By default, event with no feature image has this image. You can also change the default image for events by upload the image here. Load Google Font Settings will upload Google Font Style. Under Shortcode Attributes tab, you can see all the attributes that you can use in Shortcode for styles. You can reset the colors by click on Default button. If you want to reset the whole settings, then click on the Reset button. Thanks for watching this video.